Ever wonder how a business keeps everyone on the same page? Let's take a look at how companies organize their people and power. At its core, structure is about hierarchy. It defines who reports to whom and how decisions flow from the top down to the front lines. Most large companies use a functional model, which puts experts in their own silos to maximize efficiency in their specific areas. Structures range from rigid, vertical pyramids to flat, agile networks where teams have more autonomy to make quick decisions. Choosing the right structure can make or break your company, so let's weigh the stability of functional teams against the agility of a matrix setup. As you can see, flatter structures often move faster, but they can struggle with coordination as the headcount grows into the thousands. Remember, there is no perfect structure. The best design is simply the one that helps the business execute its strategy effectively. Structure is the invisible framework of every investment you analyze. Hit subscribe for more money and business basics explained simply.